Hey guys, my name is Nick. I'm one of the owners here at Next Level Electric here in Pennsylvania. We are building our second Packout trailer, and I want to give you guys a how-to, what we do, some of the things we've done. We built our first trailer in August of 2020. We've learned a lot of things. We've modified that trailer numerous times to fit more Packouts in, to fit more tools, to fit more supplies. We personally like tool trailers because you can fit a lot more in them than a van. We keep all our ladders inside to keep them out of the sun, out of the rain, out of the snow, and to keep our clearance lower so we don't have ladder racks on top or on the side. So I'm gonna give you a tour today, a how-to, some tips, some tricks. We are building out a SureTrack 16-foot V-nose, 8.5 foot wide. It's a 10,000-pound trailer, and I'm gonna open her up and give you guys a tour. All right, we just opened up the trailer. Like I was saying, we keep all our ladders inside. So with the 8.5 foot trailer, you have a fender in here. So we keep this pocket open for our 100-foot garden hose. We have two 28-foot extension ladders. This one's never enough. Two 8-foot A-frames, a 10-foot A-frame, a 12-foot A-frame. We'll add more ladders later. And then we have a box up here for pipe, strut, anything long. So we have our PVC, our EMT, our rigid conduit. We keep all our pipe lengths that we commonly use in stock. And some things we've improved on this trailer versus our first trailer. Our first trailer we used 3/4 OSB. This trailer we've switched to plywood. So we've reduced it down from 3/4 to 5/8, which is plenty rigid enough. Our shelves in the other trailer are 1/2 inch OSB. These we've switched to plywood, 3/8. So we've saved some room, which we actually gained more Packout space. So we've gained an extra Packout in every rack that we're building. In these Packout racks, we use a 20-degree slope. Cut all these little boards at a 20-degree angle. That gives our Packouts ease of use. Now, some people say, well, the Packouts stack together. But if you have 10 Packouts and you need the bottom one, do you want to unclip all 10 Packouts? Or would you rather grab the one you need and go? Getting ready to build this wall out. We'll put a lot of organization in. We have a workbench. We don't use it often, we don't use it a lot, but it does come in handy. Our workbench top is made out of 3/4 inch Advantech OSB subflooring. This stuff is damn near indestructible. Down here we have our Packout toolboxes. We have enough room to put two slim cases on top. This space is saved for a trash can and a 2-foot ladder. That's really convenient to have. We'll build out more shelving up here. Down here under our workbench, we have the 2-drawer toolboxes, the 3-drawer toolboxes. We use both sizes to give us a variety of storage. Those lock bars are nice when you're driving because your drawers aren't flying open. And then we use the Packout mounting brackets to put those on. Your portable lights, your M18, your cordless lights are always a must-have in your trailer. We actually changed the design on this trailer because the other one we just have them bungeed in, but we actually built 2 pockets so that you can just drop them in and go. You don't have to bungee, you don't have to do anything. We have more Packout bins. We like a variety, so we always have a crate Packout at the top, and then these are the foam insert Packouts. We use a ton of these for all our cordless tools. I used to use the factory-made Milwaukee cases for my tools, but the thing that makes me upset about those is every case has a hole for a battery charger. So you have tons of wasted space. The foam Packouts give you a lot more flexibility. And then stay tuned. We'll get you some video on what we're doing with the front, what we're putting over here, and what we're putting above the workbench.